Are you worried that your baby's skin tone is uneven and dark? Then you have come to the right place to find the solution for this. Welcome to Prajit Creations. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified on my new videos. In this video, I am going to give you a few tips for your baby's skin. Avoid using soap for babies. Instead, you can follow these tips. Mix gram flour with turmeric and add some water to make it a paste. Use this as a bathing paste. This helps to even the skin tone and also lightens the skin if it is dark. Turmeric helps to remove unwanted hair as well. If the baby is a boy, then use only gram flour with water to make a paste. Do not use turmeric for boys. As an alternative, you can mix green gram flour with water to mix a paste. This can be used as a bathing paste. This paste helps to keep the baby's skin soft and shiny as well. This paste can be applied to hair instead of using shampoo. The hair becomes soft and silky with this paste. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and share this with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day with your baby.